Are you still eating the same meats you enjoyed in your 30s? If you're over 60, this could be quietly sabotaging your health. You might not realize it, but some of the most common meats are spiking your risk of heart attacks, fueling cancer, and even destroying your memory in just a matter of months. Shocked, you should be. In this video, we're about to reveal the 3 worst meats you should never touch after 60, ranked from least to most dangerous. Each one is backed by real science and shocking statistics that will make you rethink your choices at the dinner table. But it doesn't stop there. We're also showing you the 1 best meats you must add to your diet, ranked for maximum health benefits. These are meats that can rebuild muscle, boost memory, and keep your body strong and healthy as you age. Stick around until the end because the number 1 worst meat on our list is linked to a 56% rise in heart attacks for people over 60. And the number 1 best meat, it can increase your muscle strength and improve cognitive function by 44%. Here's the kicker, almost nobody is eating it. So what are you waiting for? Leave a comment below and tell us which meat you eat the most. We will read and reply to each comment and subscribe to motivate me to make more videos. Let's dive into the countdown and uncover the first dangerous meat you should avoid at all costs. The 3 worst meats to avoid after 60. 1. Conventional pork sausage. Conventional pork sausage may seem like a harmless treat, a comforting addition to your breakfast, but its true dangers are hidden beneath the surface. The issue isn't just the pork itself, it's the way it's processed. These sausages are packed with sodium, nitrates, and nitrites chemicals that, when digested, turn into nitrosamines, which are known carcinogens. Yes, that's right, cancer-causing compounds that can damage your cells and fuel disease. A 2022 study published in BMC Medicine followed 18,000 seniors for nearly a decade. The results were staggering. Those who ate processed pork sausage just twice a week had a 22% higher risk of developing colon cancer and a 16% higher risk of kidney dysfunction than those who avoided it. Imagine that every bite contributing to a long-term risk you can't see, and the danger doesn't stop there. Processed pork sausage is loaded with sodium, which spikes blood pressure, causing strain on your heart. For seniors, this is especially risky, as our bodies become more sensitive to sodium as we age. The result: fluid retention in the legs, increased pressure on your kidneys, and a heightened risk of cardiovascular disease, all quietly building up over time. This isn't just about one unhealthy meal, it's about a pattern of eating that could be speeding up the aging process and setting the stage for serious health problems. Just think about it. A seemingly innocent sausage could be putting you on a fast track to heart disease, cancer, and kidney failure. Take a moment to reflect on your own habits. John, a 67-year-old retiree, used to enjoy pork sausage every morning, never realizing how harmful it was. After learning about the risks, he swapped his processed sausage for leaner, preservative-free turkey sausage, seasoned with herbs and spices. The result: a significant drop in his blood pressure, more energy, and a newfound sense of vitality. His doctor even noted the improvement in his kidney function at his last checkup. It's time to take control of what goes on your plate. Choose fresh, unprocessed meats, and always check labels for hidden preservatives. If you crave that sausage flavor, leaner turkey or chicken sausage is a great alternative, and seasoning it yourself gives you full control of what you're eating. What you put in your body at this stage in life matters more than ever. The small swaps you make today could protect your future, helping you live a longer, healthier life free from the risks of processed meats. 2. Deli ham and processed cold cuts. Deli ham and processed cold cuts like turkey, bologna, and those convenient sandwich slices are easy to grab and eat, but they come with a hidden price. These seemingly innocent meats are loaded with preservatives, artificial flavorings, and sodium. And it's not just about the flavor, it's what these ingredients do to your body. Sodium nitrite, a common preservative, reacts with amino acids in the meat to create nitrosamines. Nitrosamines are not just any chemicals, they are known carcinogens, linked to cancer. A study published in the International Journal of Epidemiology in 2020 followed thousands of seniors. The results were chilling. those who ate processed deli meats 4 or more times a week had a 24% higher risk of developing heart failure and a 19% increased risk of dying prematurely. That's not just an increase in numbers, that's your life at risk. Every time you bite into that ham sandwich, you're fueling those risks without even realizing it. But the dangers go beyond cancer and heart disease. The high sodium, preservatives, and hidden sugars in deli meats don't just harm your heart, they also wreak havoc on your brain. These chemicals lead to chronic inflammation, which has been linked to cognitive decline. For seniors, that means slower thinking, memory issues, and overall brain fog. Your mental health, just like your physical health, deserves protection. Take Barbara, a 70-year-old grandmother who used to love making sandwiches with deli ham for lunch. After her annual checkup, her doctor warned her about the dangers of processed meats, and Barbara decided to make a change. She switched to freshly cooked chicken breast and lean turkey, slicing it herself at home. Within weeks, her blood pressure dropped and her energy levels improved. Even her family noticed her sharper mind and brighter mood. Instead of relying on deli meats, consider cooking fresh protein at home, like chicken, turkey, or lean beef. Slicing it yourself ensures you're avoiding the harmful additives and preservatives that often come with processed meats. Plus, it tastes better, and you know exactly what you're eating. By making these simple changes, you're taking control of your health and ensuring you have more years to enjoy the people and things you love. 3. Deep-fried chicken, especially fast food. Deep-fried chicken, it's crispy, golden, and oh so satisfying. But behind that crispy exterior lies a dangerous truth, especially for seniors. The oils used to deep-fry chicken are loaded with trans fats and omega-6 fatty acids, both of which trigger systemic inflammation. Over time, this inflammation can raise your blood pressure, damage your arteries, and put unnecessary stress on your heart. But that's not all. A 2020 study revealed that women who ate deep-fried chicken more than once a week had a 13% higher risk of dying from any cause and a 12% increased risk of dying from heart-related events. These numbers are a stark reminder of how this seemingly harmless indulgence could be cutting years off your life. When chicken is deep-fried, it absorbs a large amount of oxidized oil that's been broken down by the high heat. This oil contributes to inflammation throughout the body, leading to the breakdown of collagen in your skin and joints. For seniors, that means faster aging, sagging skin, and painful joints. Your skin starts to lose elasticity, and your knees and elbows ache more with every step. Take Dave, a 68-year-old retiree who was a huge fan of fast food, especially deep-fried chicken. He loved grabbing it for lunch every week, not realizing the toll it was taking on his body. Over time, he noticed that his knees were aching more than usual, and his skin wasn't as firm as it used to be. When he finally saw his doctor, he learned that the inflammation from his fast food habit had contributed to his joint pain and even his higher blood pressure. It doesn't have to be this way. Instead of deep-frying your chicken, opt for oven-baked or air-fried chicken, seasoned with healthy herbs and olive oil. This way you get the same crispy texture, but without the toxic oils and harmful effects on your health. You'll protect your heart, preserve your skin, and keep your joints moving smoothly. It's time to choose your food wisely. Your future self will thank you. The one best meats to eat after 60. Grass-fed lamb. Grass-fed lamb isn't just another meat, it's a powerhouse of nutrients that can significantly improve your health, especially as you get older. We all know that maintaining bone health, strong muscles, and sharp cognitive function becomes more challenging with age. But what if I told you that a single change in your diet could help you maintain these vital functions and fight aging at the same time? Grass-fed lamb is an exceptional source of omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, and vitamin B12. These nutrients are not just buzzwords, they are critical for seniors. Omega-3s help lubricate your joints, keeping you mobile and reducing the painful effects of arthritis. Zinc supports your immune system, while B12 plays a vital role in keeping your brain sharp and your energy up. And unlike factory-farmed meats, grass-fed lamb is free from harmful hormones and antibiotics that can cause long-term damage to your body. A 2020 study found that seniors who ate grass-fed lamb just twice a week saw a 23% improvement in muscle strength and and a 15% reduction in inflammation markers. Let that sink in for a moment. 2 meals a week, and you could experience stronger muscles and less inflammation, 2 things that can make a world of difference in how you feel day to day. Dr. James Williams, a renowned geriatric nutritionist, explains the omega-3 fatty acids in grass-fed lamb are incredibly important for maintaining flexible arteries and reducing the risk of heart disease. As we age, our cardiovascular health is something we can't afford to neglect. This meat is like nature's medicine. He adds the anti-inflammatory properties are also a huge plus. Chronic inflammation is one of the leading causes of joint pain and cognitive decline in older adults. Grass-fed lamb fights that on both fronts. Why is it so beneficial? Omega-3 fatty acids, found in abundance in grass-fed lamb, are essential for keeping your arteries flexible and preventing plaque buildup, which leads to heart disease. The benefits go beyond just the heart. The zinc in lamb helps your immune system work properly, while B12 supports your energy and mental clarity. It's a true game changer for seniors looking to age healthily. If you're ready to make the switch, opt for lean cuts like the shoulder or leg, which have the right amount of marbling to deliver those healthy fats without overdoing it. Cook them with rosemary, garlic, and olive oil for a delicious, heart-healthy meal. But remember, balance is key. Don't overindulge, especially if you have high cholesterol. Small portions go a long way in reaping the benefits without overloading your body with extra fat. This small change to your diet can support your bones, muscles, and cognitive health, all while lowering the risk of heart disease and arthritis. So why not give grass-fed lamb a try? It's a simple, natural way to help your body thrive as you age. The truth is, the foods we choose to eat every day have the power to shape our future. The meats we put on our plates can either slowly destroy our health or become the key to rebuilding strength, protecting our minds, and adding years to our lives. It's not just about cutting back. It's about making smarter choices with every meal. If you're still eating the same meats you did when you were younger, you may be missing out on a time-tested way to truly turn back the clock. As we age, what we consume can affect everything: how we move, how we think, and how we feel. Some meats, as we've seen, are doing more harm than good, while others can rejuvenate your body, sharpen your mind, and help you age with strength and vitality. Which of these meats shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments. We're reading and replying to everyone. If you're ready to take control of your health and make the right choices, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss another video that could change your life. Don't let old habits define your future. Let knowledge be the fuel for your next meal and for a healthier, happier tomorrow.